హాయ్, గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ టు ఆల్. మరి లాస్ట్ క్లాస్లో కెమిస్ట్రీలో కొంత నేర్చుకున్నాం మనం. ఇప్పుడు ఈ క్లాస్లో రిమైనింగ్ నేర్చుకుందాం. ఫార్ములాస్ చూసాం. ఆ ఫార్ములాస్ని ఎలా క్యాల్కులేట్ చేయాలి వాటి గురించి చూసాం నిన్న. ఫార్ములాస్ని ఎలా క్యాల్కులేట్ చేయాలి అవి. సో 2 more ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ చేసి అప్పుడు మనం ముందుకు వెళ్దాం. సో మనకి ఈక్వేషన్స్ తెలియజేయడానికి బ్యాలెన్స్డ్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ వాటి గురించి ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం మనం. ఓకే, సో లైవ్లోకి వచ్చిన వాళ్ళందరూ చూడండి. ఎక్కువ మందికి లైవ్కి రండి. Now go for class today now. So first example, sodium carbonate. Molecular weight. Molecular weight. క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ చేద్దాం ఇప్పుడు మనం. ఆల్రెడీ మీకు చెప్పా. సో ఇన్ sodium carbonate, 2 sodium molecules are there. 2 sodium atoms are there. 1 carbon atom is there and 3 oxygen is there. So sodium atomic weight 23, carbon 12, oxygen 16. Totally you get 16 oxygen here, oxygen 3. So 46, 12 and 48, total of 601. So 106 grams molecular weight of sodium carbonate is 106 grams. Okay, understand? Observe. Now go for another example, that is balanced equations. Balancing the equations. How to balance the chemical equations? Now we have to see. Let us take an example. Nitrogen reacts with oxygen is nitrogen dioxide. This is the equation given. Nitrogen reacts with oxygen gives rise to nitrogen dioxide. Now here reactants are nitrogen and oxygen. Product is nitrogen dioxide. Now balance it. Here in reactants 2 elements are present, nitrogen and oxygen. Nitrogen and oxygen. So nitrogen atoms are 2 and oxygen atoms are 2. In products also nitrogen, oxygen. So nitrogen is 1 atom and oxygen is 2 atoms. Since These two oxygens are balanced now. Two atoms, oxygen balance. Nitrogen is 2, it is 1. So we have to raise the number of nitrogen atoms to 2. To raise the number of atoms, we have to multiply, not add. So multiply the nitrogen with 2. Since nitrogen and oxygen combine together here, we have to multiply the oxygen is also with 2. Now step 2, what we get? So nitrogen plus oxygen, this is also gas, gives nitrogen dioxide 2. And we are multiplying with 2. So that's why 2. Now here nitrogen atoms and oxygen atoms. Nitrogen atoms are 2 and oxygen atoms are 2. Here nitrogen atoms are 2 and oxygen atoms are 2 2s are 4. Now nitrogen is balanced. We have to balance the oxygen. So here number of oxygen atoms are 2 in the reactants and products 4. So we have to multiply with 2. Now observe, nitrogen is a individual and oxygen is individual here in the reactant. So we should not multiply N2 with 2 because it itself is multiplied. So we have to place this before 2. Now the final equation is N2 plus O2. How many O2s? 2 O2 gives rise to 2NO2. This is the final equation we get by observing this. Understand? Now, observe it. Okay. Now I go for another one. Methane reacts with chlorine, gives methyl chloride and HCl. This is one reaction. Methane reacts with chlorine, gives methyl chloride and hydrochloric acid, HCl. Now, here in reactions, carbon is there element, hydrogen is there and chlorine is there. Now we have to write here also carbon, hydrogen, chlorine. Now first we are doing the balancing the equation. Carbon only 1, hydrogens 4, chlorines 2. Now here carbon 1, hydrogens 3 plus 1 4, okay, chlorines 2. So it is the balanced equation. మనకి ఇచ్చిన సమీకరణమే తుల్య సమీకరణం కాబట్టి మనం దీన్ని బ్యాలెన్స్ చేయవలసిన పని లేదు. నౌ గో ఫర్ డూయింగ్ ద ప్రాబ్లం. ఇప్పుడు దీని మీద ఒక చిన్న లెక్క చేద్దాం. ఓకేనా? షాల్ వి? నౌ ఐ విల్ స్టార్ట్ నౌ. Now, we have to calculate the molecular weights of methane, methane molecule, chlorine molecule, and this is called methyl chloride and hydrochloric acid. Now, carbon, okay, CH4 we have to carry. In this 1 carbon and 4 hydrogens, that is equal to 1 into 12, 4 into 1. because hydrogen molecular weight is 1. Now total, that is equal to 12 and 4 and 16. So now 16 grams of carbon, methane, 16 grams of methane. Chlorine, Cl2, and 2Cl, that is equal to 2 into 35.5. Okay, and 71 grams. 71 grams gives rise to methane, CH3. Carbon 1 and 12 plus కొద్దిగా అర్థమైంది కదా, hydrogens 3, 3 1s are 3, that is equal to 15. HCl, hydrochloric acid, hydrogen 1, chlorine 35.5, that is equal to 36.5. Now if you add these two, we get 36.5 plus 15, that is equal to 51.5. Here also 36.5, 35.5 plus 16, 51.4. So this is balanced. This is, what is this one? 15 CH4Cl, CH3Cl kada, and here one Cl is also there. Now CH3 is 15 and another Cl, that is equal to 30 plus 35.5. Now this becomes 50 point, understand, 35.5 plus 3, 38, 40, 50, 50.5. Now observe. Go and sand. So 50 and 36, 86, 87 is came. So here also 71 plus 16, 87. Okay. Now this is how much? 50.5. This is how much? 36.5 grams. This is the equation. Observe this one once. Okay. Just ఇది సరిగ్గా రావట్లేదు. హాయ్ గైస్, క్లారిటీ ఉందా? Now we will do a problem. So according to this equation, 16 grams of methane reacts with 71 grams of chlorine, gives 50.5 grams of methyl chloride and 36.5 grams of hydrochloric acid. That is the equation we get. చూడండి, suppose how much methyl chloride is evolved when 64 grams of methane react with chlorine. This is the question given. Okay, understand? It is not clear at all today. Why? Is it clear? Okay, it is clear. Now, so 16 grams of CH4 is gives 50.5 grams of CH3Cl. Now, 64 grams gives how much? This is the question asked. Okay, now very easy. So it is 4 times. So we have to multiply 4. That is therefore 64 into 50.5 divided by 16. Cross multiplication. 64 into 50.5 divided by 16 in 4 times. That is equal to 20, to 20. Place point 1 plus grams. So 202.5, 202 grams of methyl chloride is evolved when 64 grams of methane reacts with chlorine. Understand? In the you can ask another question. How much Cl2 is required for this reaction? Same. 16 grams gives requires 16 grams requires 71 grams. So 64 grams requires how much? You have to multiply with 4. 1 4s are 4 and 4 7s are 28 and 200 284 284 grams of chlorine is required for this chemical reaction. Understand? Now go for another one. Now go for mole concept. Mole concept. It is very important concept in chemistry for the chemical reactions. Sorry for the disturbance. Now observe. What is a mole? Mole is the amount of substance of its gram molecular weight. Mole is nothing but gram molecular weight of that substance. 1 mole of a substance is equal to the gram molecular weight of that substance. Suppose if you take the case of water, hydrogen, oxygen, sodium hydroxide. So hydrogen molecule, water molecule, oxygen molecule, and sodium hydroxide molecule. Now, atomic weight of hydrogen is 2. 1 2s are 2. Water is 18. Oxygen is 32. And sodium hydroxide is 40. Already we will add. Sodium 23, 16, 1. 23 plus 17, 40. So, gram 1 mole of hydrogen molecule, 1 mole of H2 molecule means 2 grams. 2 grams of H2. Understand? Now, alright, 1 mole of water molecule means 18 grams of H2O. Similarly, 1 mole of oxygen molecule means 32 grams of oxygen. Understand? In the same way, 1 mole of sodium hydroxide is equal to 40 grams. Any doubt? Observe this one. Now, ten moles of H2, right? How much? Already you know that weight of molecular weight of hydrogen molecule is 2. It means 1 mole of H2 is equal to 2 grams. Therefore, 10 moles is equal to 10 into 2, 20 grams. 10 moles of H2 means 20 grams. Okay, understand? Suppose I am on 0.5 moles of H2 is equal to how much? 0.5 moles of H2 is equal to 1 mole is equal to how much? 2 grams. So 0.5 moles. 0.5 into 2, that is equal to 1 gram and half of it. Okay? So, five moles of H2O is equal to how many grams? Weight of the substance is equal to gram molecular weight into number of moles. Gram molecular weight. I will write again. Weight of the substance is equal to gram molecular weight into number of moles. The weight of substance. Okay. Therefore, number of moles is equal to weight of the substance by gram molecular weight. Understand? So number of moles, how many moles are present? The number of moles is equal to weight of the substance by gram molecular weight. Understand? Here 5 moles of H2 is how much? 5 into, according to this formula, that is equal to 5 into 18. Five into 18. That is equal to how much? 5 into 18? Yes. 90 grams. Suppose 45 grams of H2O is how many moles? 45 grams of H2O is how many moles? Then weight of the substance is 45 by gram molecular weight is already we know 18. So 2 times 5 times 9, that is equal to 2.5 moles. 5 by 2 means 2.5. Understand? Not yet. Okay, now go for another concept. Avogadro number. Avogadro. Avogadro. Number of atoms or number of molecules present in 1 gram molecular weight of the substance is known as Avogadro number. Number of atoms or number of molecules present in 1 gram atomic weight or gram molecular weight of the substance is called Avogadro number. Then it is equal to 1.6023 into 10 power 23. This is Avogadro number. Avogadro number. 1.6023 into 10 power 23. 1.6022 కానీ 23 అని into 10 power 23. And suppose 2 grams of H2O contains how many molecules? H2O. How many molecules of H2O? He asked like that. So now okay, for finding this we have to know the molecular weight of water. Molecular weight of water. So gram molecular weight of H2O is equal to 18 grams. According to the definition, 18 grams of water contains 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules of water. 18 grams contains 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules. Now 2 grams contains how much? So we have to multiply with 2 and divide with 8. Therefore answer ఎక్కడ వస్తుంది? ఇక్కడ వేస్తున్నాం చూడండి. 6.023 into 10 power 23 into 2 divided by 18. ఇందులో 9 times. ఈ 9 ఇందులో క్యాన్సిల్ చేసేస్తాం. So this becomes 60.23 into 10 power 22 అంటే ఒక 10 దీంతో మల్టిప్లై చేసాం బై 9. ఇప్పుడు 9 6 jar 54, 9 6 jar 54, 6 మళ్ళీ 9 6 jar 54, మళ్ళీ 6 అలా వస్తుంటుంది. చూడండి here 60.23 divided with 9. 9 6 jar 54, 62, 9 6 jar 54, 83. సో ఆల్రెడీ పాయింట్ ఇక్కడికి వస్తుంది. 97084 నియర్లీ అంటే 6.67 into 10 power 22 molecules present. You can understand? 6.67 into 10 power 22 molecules of what? Water present in that 2 grams of water. So today I have some water. Thank you for watching. Last వరకు వాచ్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. టుమారో క్లాస్ ఉందో లేదో ఐ విల్ ఇన్ఫార్మ్ యూ 1 hour బిఫోర్. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్. Good night. Good night.